mother-in-law. Jesus was spreading God's message in Capernaum. In that town lived a man named Simon Peter with his wife and mother-in-law. Jesus would often visit him. One day, on his visit, he saw that the mother-in-law had high fever. Jesus came to the bed of the mother-in-law and ordered the fever to go away. And to everyone's surprise, the fever left. Simon's mother-in-law got up and went back to the kitchen. She started preparing food as if nothing had happened. Quickly, word spread about how Jesus had cured Simon Peter's mother-in-law. Soon, people who sought to be healed and those suffering in some way gathered there. Jesus did not drive them away. He healed all of them by laying his hands on them. The next day, Jesus left Simon's house. He wished to find another place where he could preach about the kingdom of God. The sower. Jesus taught many lessons using parables. Once, he told the crowd gathered around him a story about a farmer. A farmer was dispersing seeds in the soil. Some seeds fell on the pathway and birds ate them. Some fell on the rocks. The plants grew for a short time and died in the heat of the sun. Some seeds fell into the thorns, which grew faster than the plants, choking them. But some fell on rich, fertile soil, where they grew well, giving a good crop. Jesus explained, God's words are like the seeds. Some people often hear what God says, but the words do not register. Many have shallow hearts like the rocky ground. Some people hear the words but are more interested in the worldly things. But some people believe in God's words, and these grow like seeds on fertile soil. The sick servant. After preaching throughout the land for many days, Jesus returned to the city of Capernaum. There, some elders told him that a Roman officer's servant was very ill. The servant was much loved by the officer. The officer was a good man. He had built the synagogue in the town for the people and had done much to help the people. Jesus decided to visit the servant. Jesus was near the house when the officer came out and said, "Do not put yourself in trouble. I am not worthy enough for you to enter my house. If you just say the word, my servant will be healed." Jesus was surprised by such display of faith. He praised the officer in front of the people who had followed him. Meanwhile, when the people went in to see the servant, he had healed completely. Simon the Pharisee. A Pharisee named Simon invited Jesus to dinner one night. The Pharisees were religious leaders. Many of them did not like Jesus because he taught everyone about God's love. Just as Jesus sat down to eat, a woman came into the house. The guests said, "Look, there's that very bad woman." The woman knelt down before Jesus, crying softly. Her tears fell on his feet, and she wiped them with her hair. Then the woman reached into the folds of her dress. She took out a tiny bottle of very expensive perfume. She poured the rich perfume over Jesus' feet. This meant she thought of him as her king. Simon became more and more upset. He thought, if Jesus were really a prophet, he would know what kind of woman she is. Jesus knew what he was thinking. "Simon," he said, "I want to tell you a story."
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.